Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to download record content in Excel format in Salesforce. If you have a requirement where you wanted to download an Excel file with the record information, then we can make use of Visualforce page. Instead of jumping into the solution, first let's look at a demo. On my account record page, I have download account quick action. When I click it, it downloads an Excel file. In the first sheet, I have name and industry of the account record, name and industry. And in the second sheet of the same Excel file, I have contact information. So using Visualforce page, I was able to download the account and its contacts in multiple sheets in the same Excel file. Now let's look at how it was implemented. I created an Apex class. This will be the controller for the Visualforce pages. I'm using a variable Excel as header info with this value. Next, this is the VF page for the quick action. So I created a quick action with the action type as custom Visualforce page. So this is the page it will load. It will display downloading the file. On window load, window.onload, it will open the another Visualforce page. This is where I'm constructing the Excel content using workbook, styles, worksheet, row, table, cell tags. So it will open this Visualforce page with the account record ID. I have a simple console.log statement. I'm using sfdc.canvas.publisher.publish. I'm using publisher.close as the name. Payload, I'm using refresh as true. So this will call this JavaScript and then it will close the pop-up. So once the agent clicks a download account, it will open the pop-up. It will open the Excel file content generation VF page. It will generate the content. It will download it. Here I'm using content type as application/vnd.msexcel and the file name I'm giving it as accountfile.xls. Since the content type is set, it will download the file. Once the file is downloaded, it will fire this and then it will close the pop-up. I don't want to manually ask the agents or the reps to close it, so I am using this piece of code to automatically close it. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample Apex code and the Visualforce pages code for your reference. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.